You know what burns my ass? When you get charged for things that you don't get. Look at this. Customer bought brand new tires. They claim that they changed the valves. But look at the dirt on the valves. The same dirt that's on the wheel itself. There's no way that valve was changed. And you see what they did there? They put a green cap on there to make you believe that the valve is changed. But it's not. See the dirt on the wheel? See the dirt on the valve? Yep, that's what they do. And here it is, look. They charged you. Let's see if we can see it here. tpms service pack. Since this is not a metal valve, they said they changed the whole rubber valve. At $2.99 each. Less than $12. And then you add tax. Yep. They didn't do it. And if you didn't catch it, that would have been 12 bucks in their pocket, people. All right, here's another one. Look at it. You can see the dirt on the valve. Matches the dirt on the rim. All right? So be careful. Know what you are getting charged for. Be smart, people. And catch these crooks. Because this cannot be tolerated. No sense getting ripped off. Watch the full version on my YouTube channel. Get a laugh. Everybody can use a giggle. And for you car techs that are watching this video, I know you're laughing on the inside. How about those cars that have the 8-cylinder cars? That the spark plugs all the way in the back by the firewall are the hardest ones to change. Nobody changes them. They only change 7 spark plugs and they pretend that they changed the 8th one. But they didn't. Fords and BMWs are known for that. The hardest spark plug is never changed. I hear you giggling. I see you smiling. That's it. Thanks for watching, people. Ciao. P.S. You know what burns my ears even more? Is that when you tell them and you point it out, they don't believe you. They have to see it in person. Instead of calling the person that did the tires and asking them, I have to show them that it's a used one. All right? Right, Waffles? Tell them. Do the right thing. Or give me back my money. Say bye, Waffles. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.